Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate how to access Discord using a token. While it might seem complex, this comprehensive guide will walk you through every step clearly. Whether you're a developer, troubleshooting an issue, or just interested in how Discord handles authentication, you've come to the right place. Begin by launching your web browser and heading to discord.com/login. This brings you to the standard sign-in screen where we will start the process. Next, you need to open your browser's developer tools. Simply hit the F12 key on your keyboard. A panel will appear with several tabs like Elements and Console. Don't let the technical look overwhelm you. Just locate and click on the tab labeled Application. Inside the Application tab, look at the left-hand sidebar for local storage. Click the arrow to expand it and select the discord.com entry. This displays a list of data stored by the site on your computer. Search through the list for a key named Token. This is where your login credentials reside. Click on this row to modify the value. You'll need your specific Discord token ready, which is typically found in the developer portal or your bot management settings. Carefully paste or type your token into the value field, ensuring there are no mistakes, as even a minor typo will cause the login to fail. To complete the process, press Ctrl+R to refresh the page. If the token is valid, Discord will automatically sign you into the account, skipping the usual username and password prompts. You are now logged in. Using a token is a powerful technique for those familiar with Discord's backend, but security is paramount. Your token is essentially a master key to your account. Never share it with anyone and store it safely, as anyone with this code can take full control of your profile. That concludes our tutorial on token-based login. It's a straightforward yet effective method for advanced users. Remember to prioritize your digital privacy. If this guide helped you, or if you have questions, please leave a comment below. Enjoy using Discord, and I'll see you in the next video.